I get out my body, yeah. We link up and be legendary. I just took Cialis, but she on Molly.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Mo Views. I got another video for y'all. Real interesting video. We're gonna be rapping something today. We're gonna be rapping my wing today in carbon fiber wrap that I got off eBay. Hopefully it come out good. I know I ain't the only one worrying or wondering, like, do this stuff actually work? Like, is it easy? Like, before I wrap a whole car. So look, I'm pretty much got everything laid out already, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right. So this is pretty much the layout right here. I got the wrap backwards, and I know it's not gonna take all this to do it. I do extra shit. I'm extra. But I got, the 5D carbon fiber. It's pretty good. Got this plastic lace over it where I look weird, but I'm gonna take that off and we're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna get there wrapping. In the wrap, it came with this microfiber towel, little thing to wipe it down, some free scissors, free cutters, and a little squeegee. So it got like a little soft pad to it. See that? And I'm gonna link this all down in the description. Like I said, I got it off eBay for a good price. So we're gonna put this on the car, on the E92, and let's get rolling. I know I forgot at the beginning. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't skip the ads that's not there. Alright, so pretty much I'm just gonna have everything laid out here. As you can see, I probably won't need much. I'll say about that much right there, and we can save the rest for another project. So it's a pretty nice wing too. I'll link this in the description as well. If you got an E92, a BMW 335, 328, 330, M3, good price. How much I get this for? I got this for I believe it was $50 or $60. The wrap itself for this, it's a 4x5 roll. It was $22. You can't beat that. Can't beat it. $22. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna have this clip rolling. I'll fast forward through this. So I'll see you. Let's get it.
One extremely annoying shift later.
Prints on it. Alright. Gotta clean it up, but all in all, man, this wrap is worth it. Look at that. It's real shiny, real clean. Back side of my wing right here. Alright. As you can see, this side right here is not going to be seen. It's actually going to be, you know, taped down to the bottom of the car. So I really ain't worried about that too much. So if y'all are looking for, you know, some good carbon fiber wrap, I would go with that. And like I said, the link is in the description. Okay. And just to give you guys like an understanding, this is real carbon fiber. Okay. This is real carbon fiber. And this is the wrap. So it's pretty clear. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's perfect. You know what I mean? So I'll definitely go with it. Like I said, I got a whole roll 4x5 for $22. Can't beat it. It took me about an hour and a half to finish this. So it didn't take me too long. It didn't take me too long to get all these. All about being a perfectionist. That's me. So I like to get stuff right. So that's pretty much that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see. We're gonna put this wing on my next video. I'll be posting that within the next 3 days because I'm about to get my wheels put on, and I got some new tires. Let me see. Y'all guys, yep. All right. Like I said, I figure y'all may be interested in the tires I got for the wheels. If you don't know what wheels I got, check the last video. They're clean black wheels for my E92 335i. This is front. We got 235 by 3519 and 265 by 30 in the rear 19s. And I got the, I'll show you. Alright, now these tires right here, I love. Super grippy. Okay, if you're into you know, sticky tires, I got them from eBay. A pair, I believe it was close to $300. It was like 270, 280 something. I can't really remember. I ordered these like a week ago. They was $275, I believe, and these are 265 width. This brand do run a little wider, so that's why I go with 265. So it like standard tire probably like be the same size as this 275. If that makes sense, because these tires do run pretty wide. Like I said, we're looking for some sticky tires for a nice price. These are Federal 595 RRs, pretty clean, pretty grippy. So we're gonna get that put on as well. And that carbon fiber piece I showed y'all earlier, that's going on the car as well. It's gonna get put on tomorrow probably, or the next day. And we're gonna upload these videos, man, and get this car rolling. I do look forward to going to a couple car meets this month. I'm gonna record all that for you. If you don't know, I am located in Atlanta, so if y'all in Atlanta, y'all want to, you know, meet up and ride out and do some legal racing, we could, you know, so have some fun. We could go up out there and enjoy ourselves. So, man, but all in all, the wrap came out perfect. So if you like rap or looking for a good rap, I'd definitely go with that. And I did read a lot about putting clear coat over it, so I'm gonna do that as well, to kind of expand the lifespan of it and all that. So thank you guys for watching the video. If you came this far, like, comment, subscribe. Alright, see y'all.
Let's get gnarly. I get out my body, yeah. We link up and be legendary. I just took Cialis.